Welcome! In front of me I have Motorola Moto Watch 100 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to turn on the watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the upper button. Keep holding the button until the watch turns on. It takes a couple of seconds. And after the watch turns on, you will need to download and install the Moto Watch application on your Android phone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the Google Play Store. In the Play Store, tap on search and type in Moto Watch and then tap on the search button. You should see this application on the list, Moto Watch. Tap on it to select it. Tap on the install button to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. After the application opens, you will see this page, and here we can do two things. We can log in into an account if you have an existing account. You can create a new account, and you can do it in two ways. You can create an account by tapping on creating account without watch, and it will bring you to this page and you can make an account. But if you want to pair a watch and create an account in the same process, you can tap on setup watch. It will guide you through the pairing process, and then you will be asked to basically create an account. I already have an account, so I'm gonna use different option. I'm gonna tap on sign in, log in, and then we will enter the pairing process, and then we will pair the watch. But the process is basically the same, so you won't miss anything if you want to use the setup watch option. Okay, so I'm gonna tap on sign in, enter the email address and password, tap on proceed. Okay, for now let's cancel. Now let's tap on the profile icon. So basically after you log in, you will see the home page. Once you see the home page, you can tap on profile icon, and here we have add device button. And if you tap on it, it will open the pairing process, and that's how it looks like. And if you want to use the method with creating an account and pairing the device at the same time, it will look the same. So basically you will see the list of devices. You can select the device, tap on ready to set up. Then it will tell you to turn on the watch by pressing and holding the upper button. And once you turn on the watch, you can tap on proceed. Here you can tap on yes. Allow the permission for the location, so tap on continue. Allow the permission. Allow the permission for the connection. The app will start looking for the nearby devices, and it should detect your watch. Once it does, tap on the watch to select it. Then tap on pair this device. Confirm the pairing by tapping on the check mark. Confirm the pairing by tapping on pair and connect, and then tap on pair. Now tap on next. And once you get redirected to the home page again, you can tap on the profile icon, and you should see the Moto Watch 100 on the list of my devices, and you can tap on it to open the device page for it. Okay. And at this point, the watch is paired with your Android phone, and that's how you pair the devices together. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.